Hi students, this is a tutorial about how to submit things on Canvas. This is actually really easy. Come to sjsd.org, as you can see. Click on Students and Parents, and then on Canvas. That'll open you up to a login page for Canvas. So you log in with your regular login. Okay, you'll have a list of classes here on the dashboard, and you'll click on whatever class it is you have. For now I'm going to just do guitar, but all of my classes are the same way. And to show you how to submit, I'm going to go to Student View, but you will already have this view. Okay, click on Assignments. It may already pop up on Assignments for you. Hopefully it does. If it doesn't, just click on Assignments. Okay, Practice Log 1, 2, and 3 should show you when they're due and everything. Okay, let's say you haven't submitted Practice Log 3. You click on Practice Log 3. Then you're going to go to this text box here, and you're going to copy it. This is just one way to do it. There are lots of ways to do it, actually. If you had a Word document and wanted to upload it, you could do that too. I'll show you how to do that. So here's the, once I click submit, it brings me down here to this either file upload, text entry, website URL, media, Google Drive. Okay, you can create a new doc on your Google Drive and then submit it that way too. The way I'd prefer you to do it is either email it to me, take a picture and email it to me, or if you want to submit it on Canvas, okay, text entry. So we've already copied and pasted that big text box that has all those things to practice, okay? And you come down here, you paste it. Well, there it is. Now all you need to do is fill it in. So, okay, so this day, keep track, oh, I did this, I did all these things. Okay, you have to figure this one out. But fill out all these text boxes, and then on each day you want to put how many minutes you practice. Okay, 30 minutes on Monday, 30 minutes on Tuesday, Wednesday I did only 20 minutes, but on Thursday I did 50 minutes or whatever. You know, you total the hours here at the bottom. And so that's 1 hour, that's 2 hours and 10 minutes. 2 hours and 10 minutes. Okay, to get full credit you want 2 hours and 30 minutes, so you might want to add more anyway. So you just, then you click submit assignment. Okay, and then it will say resubmit assignment, and then you know that it's been submitted already. So it'll show you submission submitted on this day at this time, then you know you actually submitted it. And then it'll come to me, and you should be good to go. So good luck.